Hello friends, in the last video already we have discussed about the addition of matrices. Now today our topic is the properties of the addition of matrices. Now the first one is known as the commutative law of addition of matrix. Yes, the matrix addition is commutative. What is the meaning of commutative? Now suppose we have 1 plus 2, that one is equal to 3. Now we interchange the 2 and 1, that means if we write 2 plus 1, that also means the value of 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 2 are 3. So we can say the plus operator, that means the addition operator, follow the commutative law. In that way, also the matrix addition is commutative. This says that if A and B are matrices of the same order, that means if the matrix addition is possible, then A plus B is defined, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Let's prove the commutative law for the addition of matrix. Let capital A is the matrix Aij with the order m cross n, and B is the matrix with the Bij order m cross n. So the addition is possible. Let A plus B is equal to C. Now after addition of m cross n order two matrices, the resultant matrix must be also of the same order. That means it can be said that C is equal to Cij m cross n. And suppose B plus A. Now B and A are of the same order, that means m cross n. So after that the resultant matrix Dij is also of the same order, and that is m cross n. Then Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. Now we already said that the plus operator for the normal real numbers are also commutative. So Aij plus Bij can also be written in the way Bij plus Aij by using the definition of addition of matrices, and that one is equal to Dij. So C and D are the same order, and Cij is also our Dij. Then we can say C is equal to D. Hence we can say A plus B is equal to B plus A, and this completes the proof of the commutative law of addition of matrices. Let us check the commutative law with an example. Let we have the matrix A is equal to, according to row, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means the order is 2 cross 3, and B is 6 4 5 2 1 3. That means the same order. So A plus B can be possible, and A plus B is equal to, we can say 1 plus 6, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 2, 5 plus 1, and 6 plus 3. Now the plus operator, that means the addition operator, is also commutative for the real numbers. So we can write 1 plus 6 as 6 plus 1, 2 plus 4 as 4 plus 2, 3 plus 5 as 5 plus 3, 4 plus 2 as 2 plus 4, 5 plus 1 as 1 plus 5, and 6 plus 3 as 3 plus 6. Now after that we can find that 6 4 5 2 1 3, that is the one matrix, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 is the another matrix, but that one is our matrix B, and that one is the matrix A. So A plus B is equal to B plus A. So that proves the commutative law for the addition of matrices. Next one is known as the associative law of addition of matrix. Once again, if we consider the plus operator, that means 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now, if that is true, that means the plus operator is following the associative law, and matrix addition is also associative. This says that if A, B and C are three matrices of the same order, that means if the addition is possible, that the matrices B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B, A plus B plus C are defined, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Just same as like that. Now the proof. Let A is equal to of order m cross n Aij, and B is equal to of order m cross n Bij, and C is of order m cross n Cij. Let B plus C is equal to D, then that one is the of same order m cross n Dij, and A plus B is equal to E, so it must be of same order m cross n Eij, and A plus D is equal to P, that is Pij of order m cross n, and E plus C is equal to Q, Qij of the same order m cross n. Then Dij is equal to Bij plus Cij, Eij is equal to Aij plus Bij, Pij is equal to Aij plus Dij, and Qij is equal to Eij plus Cij. Now, A plus B plus C, that means B plus C is equal to D. So, A plus D is equal to P and Pij m cross n, and A plus B, that one is equal to E plus C, that means E plus C, that one is equal to Q or Qij m cross n. Therefore, P and Q are the matrices of the same order, and Pij is equal to Aij plus Dij, that means Aij plus Bij plus Cij, and that can be written in the way also Aij plus Bij plus Cij, and that is the by the definition of addition of matrices. So that can be written as Eij plus Cij, and that one is equal to Qij. Since P and Q are of the same order and Pij is equal to Qij, then we can say P is equal to Q. So that completes the proof that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. That means the matrix addition follow the associative law. Now we are checking the associative law with an example. Let we have A is equal to the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that means with order 2 cross 3, and B 6, 4, 5, 2, 1, 3 of order 2 cross 3, and C 3, 14, 52, 21, 10, 33 with the same order 2 cross 3. Now at first we are writing A plus B is equal plus C. So that one is A, that one is B, and that one is C. So as usual with the matrix addition, we are getting 1 plus 6, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3. And after that we are adding the C, that is 3, 14, 52, 21, 10, 33. So that one 1 plus 6 plus 3, 2 plus 4 plus 14, 3 plus 5 plus 52, 4 plus 2 plus 21, 5 plus 1 plus 10, 6 plus 3 plus 33. Now that 1 plus 6 plus 3 can also be written in the way 1 plus 6 plus 3, 2 plus 4 plus 14, 3 plus 5 plus 52, 4 plus 2 plus 21, 5 plus 1 plus 10, 6 plus 3 plus 33. So that can also be written as, according to the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is our A, plus that one is our B and C. So that one is A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So that example proves the associative law is applicable for the addition of matrices. The third one is known as the existence of additive identity of matrix. Once again, the additive identity. Let A be the matrix, then A plus O is equal to O plus A, where O is the null matrix of the same order as the matrix A. For the proof, we had taking capital A as the matrix with order m cross n Aij and O the null matrix with the same order m cross n. So A plus O is equal to Aij plus O and Aij plus 0 plus Aij. So that one is equal to A. Same as if we take the null matrix on the left hand side of the plus operator, that means O plus A is equal to O plus Aij, that means 0 plus Aij, that one is equal to Aij and that one is equal to A. Hence, what we can say, the null matrix, once again, the null matrix is called the additive identity for the matrices. Let us check the additive identity for the matrix with an example. Let the matrix capital A is 1, 2, 4, 3. That means 2 cross 2. So we have taken another null matrix O, that is also with the same order 2 cross 2, whose each and every element are 0. So we take A plus O as equal to 1, 2, 4, 3 plus 0, 0, 0, 0. So after addition, 1 plus 0, that is 1, 2 plus 0, 2, 4 plus 0, 4, 3 plus 0, 3, and that one is our matrix A itself. Now we take the null matrix on the left hand side of the plus operator. So that one is O plus A, that means 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 2, 4, 3, and 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 3, 3, and that one is the matrix A itself. So once again, we can say the null matrix as the additive identity for the matrix. The fourth one property is known as the existence of additive inverse of the matrix. Let capital A be the matrix, then A plus the negative of the matrix minus A, and that give us the null matrix. And that is also that the inverse matrix minus A plus A is also giving us the null matrix. Let A is equal to Aij m cross n, that means the order is m cross n. Therefore minus A is minus Aij into m cross n. Now A plus minus A, that one is equal to Aij plus minus Aij. So after the addition of the matrices, we get Aij plus minus Aij, that means 0, and that give us the null matrix. Now we keep the minus A on the left hand side of the plus operator. So minus A plus A, that means minus Aij plus Aij. So minus Aij plus Aij also give us the value 0, and the matrix we can get, that is also a null matrix. So A plus minus A is equal to the null matrix, and that is also equal to minus A plus A. Hence we can say the matrix minus A or the negative A is called the additive inverse of the matrix A. Let us check the additive inverse of matrix with an example. Let capital A is the matrix 1, 2, 4, 3. Then we get the minus A as minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 3. So let A plus minus A now 1, 2, 4, 3 plus minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 3. And after addition we are getting 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 3 0. That give us the null matrix. Again we keep the minus A or negative A on the left hand side of the plus operator. So minus A plus A, that one minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 minus 3 plus 1 2 4 3. So minus 1 plus 1 0, minus 2 plus 2 0, minus 4 plus 4 0, and minus 3 3, that is 0, and we get the null matrix. So we can say A plus minus A is equal to the null matrix, and that is also equal to minus A plus A. Hence the minus A is called, or the negative A is called, the additive inverse of the matrix A.